Okay, so this is our customer Peter's lovely brand new Westfield S2000 TTS supercharger kit. Running the C30-94 supercharger. Supercharger hidden down at the bottom there in place of the aircon pump. And this is where we are on power. We're running 192 horsepower. Peak torque is 256. Max power 392. So the air fuel ratio, we're right down just on 12.5 to 1. Right on the money. Boost, peak boost there, 13.5 psi. Nice linear increase in boost all the way through. I think he's going to be a happy man with that.